Shock and sadness after former Prime Minister Youth Awardee shot and killed in Manchester. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, policeman in hospital after daylight shootout with gunmen in Portmore, St. Catherine. And rethink your approach. Opposition criticizes government over what it calls rush to pass legislation. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.